Good morning, class. Today we will learn about different types of diseases and the diseases caused by protozoans. Okay, so let us start with the first disease, that is malaria. The protozoan belongs to a genus Plasmodium that causes malaria. Okay, so Plasmodium is an intracellular blood parasite. It lives in RBCs, cells of liver, alimentary canal, and salivary glands of the mosquitoes. The life cycle of Plasmodium required two hosts. Okay, first is the vertebrate and second is a female Anopheles mosquito. So the life cycle was firstly studied by Sir Ronald Ross, for which he got Nobel Prize in the year 1902. Must remember this year 1902. Okay, but the parasite was discovered by the French surgeon Lavrin in 1880. Okay, so if we will talk about, there are many types of malaria. Okay, so incubation period means the that time how much the person suffer or how much long this disease goes on. Okay, that is known as incubation period. So there are many types of malaria. So if we'll talk about the Plasmodium malady. Okay, so this incubation period of this disease is up to 28 to 30 days है ना. That fever reoccurs after after 72 hours. Or we'll talk about next type of malaria, that is also known as P. vivax. Okay, the incubation period of the P. vivax is 13 to 15 days with fever occurring every 48 hours, but death rate is low. Okay, it depends on, means the death rate is totally depend on the incubation period. Okay, so next is P. vol. Okay, ovule. So incubation period of this disease is 10 to 17 days with fever occurring every 48 hours. So this types of malaria we have, and the incubation period also we having. And what are the symptom of the fever or malaria is the temperature of the body rise rapidly and shrinking chill. Okay, and also the headache occurs. So these are the different types of symptoms. But if we'll talk about the life cycle, okay, so Plasmodium is a highly complicated Plasmodium life cycle. We are talking about the life cycle. Okay, so it is very highly complicated. So Plasmodium completes its life cycle in a two host. That first host is man, second is mosquito. Female Anopheles is a vector of Plasmodium. The primary host is man. You can see in this diagram or in this life cycle. Okay, when the parasite maintain amoeboid stage in the RBCs and later produce gametocytes. Okay, means after the RBC it produce gametocytes. When female Anopheles feeds on human blood, okay, gametocyte enter the stomach of the mosquito. Understand? And develop into gametes, means that gametocyte will converted into gametes. After the fusion of gametes, zygote is formed, means by that gamete zygote is formed, which changes into cyst. Cyst means a small, okay, that will change in a cyst after entering the stomach wall. The cyst produce sporozoites, means that cyst will produce a sporozoite which reaches salivary gland to the mosquito. When such an infected Anopheles, female Anopheles, sucks blood to a healthy man, it transfers sporozoite to rapid the amoeboid stage again, and that healthy person will become a malaria patient or suffer from this disease. Okay, that because that infected Anopheles will sucks the blood of healthy man. Okay, so if we'll talk about the treatment, so the simple treatment is blood test, right? The patient during fever we can take blood test. Okay, so prevention, if we'll talk about the prevention, so that is simple, like anti-mosquito cream we can use, right? Mustard oil, that also prevents the mosquito bites, right? है ना? All breeding place of the mosquito should be destroyed, है ना? So these are the different types of preventions. हाँ, now we'll talk about the next disease, that is MUBSS. ठीक है? Now what is MUBSS? It is a common disease caused by Entamoeba histolytica. This protozoan is a parasite formed in the upper part of the large intestine, means usually it occurs in a large intestine. Okay, so MUBSS, or we can say amoebic dysenteries, included all the conditions like diarrhea, है ना, dysentery or infection in the liver. You know diarrhea, that is loose motion. So mainly it shows the reaction in liver, okay, because where it is occurring, it occurs in a large intestine. So the main symptom is a diarrhea. Okay, so we'll talk about the treatment. So we can take different types of medicine, okay, or permanent relief from the MUBSS is a difficult, but temporary relief we can take. Okay, so you can see the life cycle here, है ना? This is the life history. Okay, so precaution, it can be prevented by adapting the hygiene's method of living, है ना? This disease can be prevented by hygiene method. So it is divided into two hygienes, that is personal and community hygienes. So in personal, what we can say, like washing our hands, है ना, keep the nails short, all these things will come in your personal hygienes. But we'll talk about the community hygienes. So that is the drinking water supply should be protected, right, है ना, and safe disposal of the feces. So all these things will come in a community hygienes. Okay, so we'll talk about the next type of disease, that is known as trypanosomiasis. Okay, trypanosomiasis, or we can say, so this trypanosomiasis also known as sleeping sickness. ओके, स्लीपिंग सिकनेस मीन्स ऐसी डिसीज़ जिससे हमें नींद आती हो, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो caused by protozoan. So it is a most serious protozoan disease caused by protozoan trypanosoma. Okay, protozoan trypanosoma. So their life cycle is completed into two host. Again, first primary host is man and secondary host is a blood sucking insect, testis, okay, and a blood sucking bug. Okay, so mainly it infected in our blood. So you can see in this table, है ना, types of trypanosomiasis and what they cause, vector and distributing. So in this table you can see different types of. Okay, so what are the symptoms of this disease? So generally, if it is caused in a blood, so it got high fever. If it is caused in a lymph, so it cause swelling in the neck. So these are the different types of symptoms. Now we'll talk about our next disease, that is disease caused by helminthiasis. So what is helminthiasis? So helminthiasis are commonly called as a parasite worm. They include worm of phylum Nematoda and Platyhelminthes. The changes of their infection is more in people living in a slum areas, means generally it occurs in that rural or slum areas. So the first disease of the helminthiasis, that is ascariasis. ठीक है, ascariasis. So you have already heard about the ascaris female and male. You can look in this figure, right, 8.4, है ना, ascaris male and female. So I will tell you now what is this disease. So it is caused by the ascaris lubriocoides, commonly called as roundworm, means this lubriocoides is also known as a roundworm. So it is worldwide distribution and is a parasite of the alimentary canal. The animal shows sexual dimorphism. Dimorphism means two sexes of the same species, means one is a male and second is female. So the female is about 20 to 49 centimeter long. You can see here, है ना, this female is long and but as compared to male. So with the diameter of 4 to 6 mm, the male are smaller than female and have a curved posterior end, but female has not. Okay, so this male having a curved posterior end but the female is a straight, right? Okay, now we'll talk about the infection. The infection is spread through food and water that are contaminated by the eggs of the animals. Means generally it contaminate in the eggs and it can spread by food or water. Okay, so what are the general symptoms? Is symptoms like stomach ache, है ना, weakness, vomiting, है ना, so headache. So these will all counted as a symptoms of the scariosis. Now we'll talk about, okay, so what are the treatment? So if we'll talk about the treatment, so piperazine citrate syrup or anthrapur are given to cause the ascariasis. Okay, so this is a type of syrup we can give to the patient. Now this is our last disease that caused by the protozoans, that is filariasis. Okay, so what is filariasis? So it is a parasite disease caused by an infection with roundworm. Okay, it is a parasitic disease and it is also a type of infection that is caused by roundworm by the Filarioidea type. Okay, so these are spread by blood feeding insect such as black flies and mosquitoes. So mosquitoes and black flies generally they feed our blood. So they belong to the group of the disease called helminthiasis. Okay, these all are belongs to a disease group that is known as helminthiasis. It known to a flareid worms have human as a definitive host. Okay, so you can see, है ना, I will tell you the symptom of this disease. It is characterized by swelling of body organ like legs. See here in this diagram, swelling of leg, right, or a mammal gland, है ना. So these are the symptoms of filariasis. So it serves cause of the obstruction of the lymph vessels causing intense growth of connective tissue that is called the elephantiasis. Okay, so the treatment is, if we'll talk about the treatment, so there are no effective drug for completely eradication of filaria, but hetrazomin is used to destroy the microfilariasis. It is a type of drug which can used. Okay, so precaution, so steps of kill Cluex mosquitoes must be adopted. Cluex mosquitoes means the genus, है ना, that genus they are actually causing the full disease, so we can kill that genes of that mosquitoes. Okay, so other type of helminthiasis disease we have, you can see in this table other helminthiasis disease, right? Here the names of the disease, है ना, name of pathogen, part of the body infected and the symptoms, right? So here we have ended our two types of diseases, the diseases caused by the protozoan and the diseases caused by helminthiasis. Okay, thank you.